Hello friends, welcome to Excelytics. Today we are going to see another video on what we should not do in Excel. So let us begin. In Excel, if you want to navigate between the sheets, we can use the shortcut key Control plus page down and page up. So most of the Excel users, while using this particular shortcut key, they tend to select Shift key as well. So they select Control, Shift, and then they do page up. So this is a mistake wherein they are grouping the sheets. And how can we know whether the sheets are grouped or not? Here you can see both the sheets are grouped together and there is a green color line under that. And you can also check by right clicking. Here you can see an option like ungroup the sheets. So if you group the sheets, what is going to happen in Excel? So let us see. Here I have employees dataset. Now I want to apply a filter. So I will select the headers and I will click on data, and you can see the filter option is not available. Not only filter, entire data section is inactive. And in the same way, if you go to home tab, conditional formatting and format as a table is not available, and the sort and filter, the same thing which we have seen in data, are not available. And if you go to insert, so most of the options are not available. We don't have slicer and charts, add-ons, pivot tables. And if you go to page layout, you don't have print area, background, and arrangement section. And if you go to formula section, you don't have formula auditing options, and entire data options are not available. And if you go to review, the comment section is inactive. Few other advanced options are inactive. If you go to view, few of the view options are not available. And if you go to developer tab, control options are not available. So in this way, if you group the sheets, there are so many features which are not available. So to ungroup these sheets, you simply select bottom and click on ungroup sheets. We hope this video will help you in your day-to-day work. Thanks for watching this video. This is created by Team Excelytics. Join Excelytics to excel in analytics.